Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Google the default search engine on Edge. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Edge. And now, click the three dots at the top right corner. And go to Settings. Now go to Privacy, Search and Services. Now scroll down and find the address bar and search. Now click that, and as you can see, the search engine, you can change that. Just choose what type of search engine you want to use. For example, I want the Google one. Now I just have to click that. Now, if you want to have other search engine other than those in the option, all you have to do is to go to New tab and just simply search the search engine that you want to add. For example, I want to use Ecosia. Now just click that and search something from there. Now after that, go back to your settings, and as you can see, you can now select the Ecosia from there. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.